11 Best PFP NFT Projects to Watch Out For in 2022. PFP NFTs or Picture for Proof non-fungible tokens are setting new milestones in NFT sales every day. This video is your one-stop shop to find out all you need to know about this new trend of crypto assets. Here are some high-performing PFP NFT projects in 2022. 1. CryptoPunks. No matter what the future holds for upcoming PFP projects, the CryptoPunks will be regarded as the PFP NFT OGs. This project is a collection of 10,000 pixelated punk NFTs. 2. Bored Ape Yacht Club. The Bored Ape Yacht Club, BAYC, project has a collection of 10,000 generative cartoons of bored apes, currently considered one of the most valuable NFT projects. 3. Meebits. Online games like Fortnite and Roblox made pixel art-based characters globally popular. Thus, NFT artists focused on the pixel art theme to attract a vast community that adores such artwork. 4. Cool Cats NFT. Cool Cats NFT is the perfect choice for cat lovers who want to own cool cat avatars and use them on social media. Cool Cats project comes with a collection of 9,999 randomly generated PFP NFTs. 5. SupDucks. SupDucks PFP NFT project consists of 10.0k NFT assets. The developers of this project worked hard to produce NFTs of superior art and a community to support the project. 6. Doodles. Doodles NFT project includes 10,000 hand-drawn profile picture illustrations that you can use as your online avatar on different platforms and communities. 7. World of Women. Fictional characters made from apes, cats, skeletons, toads, robots, and so on were dominating the NFT sphere until the launch of the World of Women project. 8. 0n1 Force. The 0n1 Force NFT project launched its first drop of NFTs in August 2021. Since then, it has been a hotcake in the NFT universe as it offered cross-platform compatibility of its NFT. 9. Mfers. If you want to flaunt your NFTs on social media, go for Mfers. This project is a collection of the profile picture, PFP, that contains 10,021 NFTs. 10. Karafuru. The Karafuru NFT is a project that offers you colorful personas that you can collect. Its characters represent a perfect blend of psychedelic colors, gacha games, random personas, and generative art technology. 11. Avastars. Avastars NFT project is a fully on-chain NFT collection with new NFT character breeding features. The project minted shoulder-length avatars or primes using a random generative art algorithm. Conclusion. Millions of NFT collectors, investors, and traders are eyeballing the PFP or Picture for Profile NFTs. Remember that NFT investments come with capital risks, and you should cautiously tread the NFT space. Thanks for watching.